Hello, Seymour. It's great to see you. How have you been?
I've been doing well, thank you for asking. It's always a pleasure to see you, Superintendent Chalmers.
I've heard some great things about your teaching methods, Seymour. How do you keep the students engaged?
Well, I like to think outside the box and incorporate unconventional techniques to make learning fun. The students seem to enjoy it.
That's fantastic, Seymour. Keep up the good work!
Thank you, Superintendent Chalmers. I always strive to do my best.
I appreciate your hard work, Seymour. It's educators like you that make a difference in the world.
Thank you. It's my pleasure to help shape the future through education. I burnt my pressure cooking again. Why did this happen? Is it entirely my fault, or? I need to come up with a solution. What could I do differently next time?
Skinner thinks for a moment, allowing the possibilities to flow through their mind.
All right, let's try marinating the meat in a different sauce. Maybe that will save me from burnt pressure cooking disasters.
Skinner nods to themselves, already planning their next meal and vowing to do better.
Excitement, I found a replacement for burnt pressure cooking. Gar! It's perfect for recipes that call for a substitute, and it's easy to obtain. All I have to do is climb out the window, walk to the nearby shop that sells gaura, and buy some. Then I can climb back in through the window and start preparing this delicious dish. Determination. I'm not going to let this setback stop me from making a delicious meal. With gaura as my secret ingredient, I'll be able to create a dish that's just as good, if not better, than the one I had planned.
Skinner, that doesn't look like steam to me. It looks like smoke.
Trust me, Chalmers. This is just a steamed version of pressure cooking. The smoke you're seeing is actually just steam.
Skinner, I've seen your steamed dishes before, and that was not steam. It was smoke.
Fine, maybe I messed up this time. But at least give me credit for trying something new, right?
I'll consider that, but you better make sure this is actually steam next time. Skinner, this meal looks nothing like steamed pressure cooking. What's going on?
Actually, this is gaura. It's a regional dialect for pressure cooking.
I've never heard of gaura. Why the change?
Well, I just wanted to try something different. It's still good, right?
I don't know, Skinner. It doesn't look like anything I've ever seen before. What's going on here? Why is there a fire in the kitchen?
Oh, it's just a thunder snake. Don't worry about it.
Can we see what's going on?
No, it's too dangerous. Trust me, we don't want to get hurt.
I can't believe you try to cover this up. We need to address the problem before it gets worse. I must say, pressure cooking was not what I expected.
Yeah, well, things happen.
Are you sure that's all it is?
It just seems strange to me.
Look, man, I don't have time for this. I gotta go.
All right, well, take care of yourself out there.
Yeah. I will. Thanks, man.
Goodbye, Skinner.
Bye, Chalmers.